Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from iPad Air 5th generation Wi-Fi to an Android device. First of all, go into Play Store on an Android and App Gallery on iPad. Then type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Then select Open. Over here on iPad you need to select, just wait for a second, and now you need to select Allow. Allow access to all photos, allow again, and OK. Then choose Send over here. Now you need to click Open on an Android, but this time only click on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then select Receive. Now you can select one of those sections over here, and then click on Select over here. This way you will pick all of your files, and by tapping on Send here, transfer them later on. It will take a long time though to transfer all of them, so I will go with only one. By tapping Select over here, tapping on the back button and choosing Send at the bottom. And as you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on an Android, choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing this camera at the code. But we can also just input this key here and tap on Receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!